Your IELTS exam is days away, your palms are sweaty, but wait, what if I told you that there is a way to cheat? If you don't want to fail your IELTS, stay till the end, no pressure. So here's the deal, IELTS is tough. Preparing for IELTS test is like listening, reading, writing, speaking. 4 simple skills, right? Wrong. It's like saying cooking is easy, you just need to chop, saute, bake, and not burn down the kitchen. Meet custom GPTs, your best friend that will not ghost you when you need him the most. Imagine this GPT knows every single IELTS practice test in existence, and unlike your friend Bob, it will not ditch you to go play video games. Bob is cool, but ChatGPT is the next level. How custom GPT helps with each IELTS section? Let's break this down. Custom GPTs can help you with each part of the IELTS test like a pro. Here's how. Listening. Let's navigate to custom GPTs by clicking on Explore GPTs. You can create your own GPT or use an existing one. I will choose an existing one. Type IELTS listening in a search. Let's choose the first one. You can read its description and click on Start Chat. Type a prompt to simulate different IELTS listening scenarios. For example, give me a multiple choice question based on a 2-minute audio passage about tourism. You can see custom GPT generates a passage and also a question. Next, I will ask to generate a passage so I can listen to it and simulate the IELTS listening exam. Now I can read it and answer the question after. But I will choose to listen to it, since it is a listening part of IELTS exam, right?
Of course. I'll now provide you with a 2-minute listening passage to simulate the IELTS listening exam. Please activate your speaker and listen carefully to the passage below. Audio passage. In recent years, tourism has become one of the fastest growing industries in the world. Many countries are capitalizing on the influx of international visitors by promoting their unique cultures, natural landscapes, and historic landmarks.
I don't want to bore you with the entire file, so I will just fast forward and go straight to answering the question. I choose option C as my answer. Oh no, it's wrong. I knew it. I was just testing ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT gives you the right answer and explains why the correct answer is option B. That's pretty cool actually. Next, we will cover reading section. Again, to access custom GPTs, click on Explore GPTs. Type IELTS reading in a search box. I will tell ChatGPT that I want to simulate the IELTS reading exam, and I will ask to integrate sample IELTS reading passages. These can be practice passages from books, websites, or previous exams. I will ask ChatGPT to act as an IELTS examiner and provide a reading passage. A reading passage should have a theme that mirrors IELTS. For example, history, science, or social issues. So here it is, common IELTS topics. Let's get back to ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT generates a reading passage, and it is about the history of electric cars. Also, it adds different types of questions, such as true, false, not given, match information questions, and sentence completion. Honestly, I didn't read the passage, and let me try my luck answering the first question. And ChatGPT wants me to answer all of them before providing me with a feedback. Okay, I will fast forward and answer true, false, not given type of questions. And ChatGPT reviews my answers and gives me a feedback. As you can see, all of them are correct. Using similar prompts, you can prepare yourself for your upcoming IELTS exam. I find it pretty useful. So we covered already listening and reading parts of the IELTS exam. In the next video, I will go over writing and speaking. Feel free to let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, please like, share and subscribe.